This video is sponsored by Unolist.com.
Yeah, I don't really know how many people run into this problem, but this is a common problem in our house where only just the one corner of the carpet just rolled over like that, and that's because we're always walking over it and somebody just foot touches it and just keeps rolling over like that. We got a fix for you, and it's not a permanent fix, but it does work. All you have to do is just roll it in the opposite direction like this. Make that tight roll and just roll it like that. And hold it for a bit. And then leave it. See that? Yeah, if it happens again, that's what you have to do, but that'll last for a month or two without putting any kind of magnet or anything here. This just works.